Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Maths with Sabah. Today I am going to discuss class 10 maths exercise 1.2. Question 1. Solve the following equation. Part 10. 3 power 2x minus 3. 10 into 3 power x plus 9 equal to 0. We can write as 3 power x into 2 minus 10 into 3 power x plus 9 equal to 0. Equation 1. Now we let 3 power x equal to y. So equation 1 become 3 power x is equal to y square minus 10y plus 9 equal to 0. Now we solve this equation by factorization method. We write first term and last term as it is. Now we break down the midterm as minus 9y minus y. Minus minus plus 9y and y become 10y, and when we multiply 9y with y it become 9y square. Now we take common from two terms. Here y is common, y minus 9. Minus 1 is common, y minus plus minus 9 equal to 0. We write as y minus 9 into y minus 1 equal to 0. This implies that y minus 9 equal to 0 and y minus 1 equal to 0. Y equal to 9 and y equal to 1. Again we put y equal to 3x. This implies that 3 power x is equal to 9 and 3 power x is equal to 1. We can write as 3 power x is equal to 9 3 power 2. We can write 9 as 3 power 2. 3 power x is equal to 3 power 0. Every number having power 0 is 1. Now we compare. Here the base is same. We compare the power. Here the bases are same. 3, 3, 3, 3. We compare the power. X is equal to 2 and x is equal to 0. So solution set is equal to 0 and 2. Now we solve the next part 11. 3 into 3 power. Now we solve the next part. We write 3 into 3 power 2x plus 1. We can write as 3 power 2x into 3 power 1. Bases, when bases are same, power will be added. Minus 10 into 3 power x plus 1 equal to 0. 3 3s are 9 into 3 power x square minus 10 into 3 power x plus 1 equal to 0. Equation 1. Let 3 power x is equal to y. So by putting 3 power x is equal to y, equation 1 become 9y square minus 10y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we solve this equation by factorization method. We write first and last term as it is. Now we break down the midterm. Minus 9y minus y. Minus minus plus 9y and 1y become 10y. And when we multiply 9y with y, it becomes 9y square. Now we take common from two terms. Here 9y is common. Y minus 1. Minus 1 is common. Y minus plus minus 1 equal to 0. We can write as y minus 1 into 9y minus 1 equal to 0. This implies that y minus 1 equal to 0 and 9y minus 1 equal to 0. Y equal to 1 and y equal to 1 by 9. Now we again put y equal to 3 power x. 3 power x is equal to 1 and 3 power x is equal to 1 by 9. This implies that 3 power x is equal to 3 power 0. We can write 1 as 3 power 0 because every number having power 0 become 1. 3 power x is equal to 9 power minus 1. 3 power x is equal to 3 power 0. 3 power x is equal to 3 power 2. 3 3s are 9. 3 power x is equal to 3 power 0. 3 power x is equal to 3 power minus 2. Here the bases are same, so we compare the power. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 2. So solution set is equal to 0 and minus 2. Now we solve the next part 12. Now we solve the next part 12. 5 power x plus 1 plus 5 power 2 minus x equal to 126. We can write as 5 power x into 5. 5 power 1 means 5 plus 5 power 2 into 5 power minus x equal to 126. 5 into 5 power x plus 5 power 5 power 2 become 25. 5 5s are 25 divided by 5 power x. To make minus x to plus x, 5 power minus x is upper and when it goes to the below it become plus x equal to 126. Equation 1. So we let 5 power x is equal to y. By putting 5 power x is equal to y, equation 1 become. Now we multiply both sides by y. This implies that 5y multiplied by y plus 25 by y multiplied by y equal to 126 multiplied by y. 5y square plus y cancel with y. 25 equal to 126y. This implies that 5y square minus 126y plus 25 equal to 0. Now we solve by factorization method. We multiply first and last term. It become 25 multiply with 5. It become 25 multiply with 5y square. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 12, 1, 25y square. In factorization method, we write first term and last term as it is. And we break down the mid term. When we multiply, it become 125. And when we add and subtract, it become 126. Minus 125y minus y. 125y and 1y become minus minus plus 126, and when we multiply 125y with y, it becomes 125y square. Now we take common from two terms. Here 5y is common. Y minus 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 1 is common. Y minus plus minus 25 equal to 0. Now we write same two terms with one time. Y minus 25 into 5y minus 1 equal to 0. We can write as y minus 25 equal to 0 and 5y minus 1 equal to 0. Y equal to 25 and y equal to 1 by 5. Now we again put y equal to 5 for x. This implies that by putting y equal to 5 for x, 5 for x is equal to 25 and 5 for x is equal to 1 by 5. We can write as 5 for x is equal to 5 5s are 25, 5 for 2. 5 for x is equal to 5 power 1 minus 1. When denominator goes to the place of numerator, its power will be minus. Here bases are same, so we compare the power. X is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 1. So solution set is equal to minus 1 and minus 2. I hope you will understand easily. Thank you for watching my videos.